push, too much elbow snap. We need to find that happy medium, putting them together. How do your legs and feet go the whole time? Feet are how far apart?
Shoulder width.
When you get back to working, we are going to go pound dribble up and over the shoulder, hitting the same spot on the floor, trying to throw that dribble down. Body is moving, you have to be athletic. You ready to go?